Kim Chloe Pondo of Sangam City and Blue Armor versus Robbie Buscaino of Oroquieta City in Red Armor. We have match number 22. Ladies and gentlemen, we have Mel Even Silao of Iligan City in Blue Armor versus Christian Tel de Los Rico of Oroquieta City in Red Armor. Match number 23. Match number 23, my dear friends, is Zaira Marquez of Sangam City versus Tricia Cabrera of Sangam City in Red Armor. Match number 24, ladies and gentlemen, is Yunabi Buscaino of Oroquieta City in Blue Armor versus Ryan Gens Sala of Bozani City in Red Armor. Matches that were announced, kindly proceed to the inspection area for your inspection. Thank you very much.
Kalyo all court. Let's acknowledge the presence of our city sports coordinator,